5 years ago, I quit my 9 to 5 and I was able to make my entire yearly salary in a month without working more, without hustling, and without doing any of the extroverted, exhausting things that business gurus told me to do. I did it quietly in a cozy, feminine, introverted way because I figured out that they are introverted ways of being visible and paid online. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This video is made in partnership with Accio Work, more on them in a second. Today I'm sharing how I actually run my quiet business on a part-time schedule, what I do, what I use, what I don't do anymore, and how I stopped being busy but not getting the result, and the aligned action that helps me make my yearly salary in a month. But when I first started my online business, I quickly learned that I was spending 80% of my time on the stuff that was underneath the creative work. The follow-up emails, the tracking, the research, the scheduling, all the boring admin, which meant that I was only spending 20% of my time on the money-generating tasks. Things like building visibility, showing up on social media, and marketing that attracts my dream clients. And because I didn't have enough time to work on my brand visibility, it meant that the content I was creating, the message in my content, and how I was showing up was attracting the wrong audience who weren't invested in me, who were just curious but not committed, weren't investing into my offers. So all that work that I was spending on the back end behind the scenes was essentially for nothing because I had no clients to deliver to follow up with, to schedule. I was exhausted and frustrated and genuinely felt like giving up because it felt like I was running on a hamster wheel with no end in sight. And it started to feel like I was back in my 9 to 5, working over 40 to 50 hours a week, not because I couldn't ask for help, but because I couldn't afford to hire a team. So after so much hesitation, as somebody who values feminine creativity, I started using AI tools like ChatGPT and most recently Claude Cowork, which helped with research, deep work and analysis, but I still had to do the work myself. What I needed was something that actually did the work for me, not something that just told me how to do the work. That is a very specific requirement, and for a long time I couldn't find a tool that met it until I found out about Accio Work. Accio Work is a true AI agentic team that gets your business tasks done, which makes it fundamentally different from other AI tools. Most AI tools, and I use several, you have heard me talk about them in several videos. They give you information or help you create things. You ask a question, you get an answer. You give a prompt, you get an email sequence, for example. That is useful. I use AI tools almost every other day, but Accio Work doesn't just answer, it does. It's the masculine structure that holds your business because it has specialized agents who execute tasks like send emails, run research, pull data, and outreach without you sitting there prompting it step by step. And it is backed by the Alibaba.com ecosystem. It boasts a wealth of business data that not only help you earn smarter, but also provides enterprise level security, which as a solopreneur is so important because your intellectual property is priceless. The way I have used Accio Work is specifically for 3 things in my business: market research, social media management, and administration. Basically the parts of my business that eat up the most time and generate the least amount of creative satisfaction. So I use Accio Work to create agents responsible for those specific tasks. Essentially, I created 3 team members who work for me. I set mine up for business research, aka the marketing assistant, email drafting, aka personal assistant, and social monitoring, aka social media manager. And you do this in agents. When you first open up Accio Work, you will see the skill. This is where you assign what your agents, aka your employees, can do. Think of it like you're writing a very detailed job description for your AI team. Tell them what what they need to be good at and they learn it for my specific business, because I run a feminine business, so the business model is very different. Okay, now onto the actual doing part. I receive a lot of emails from brands for potential brand partnerships and potential clients asking questions or needing more clarity. So there can be a lot of back and forth, from contracts, negotiation, further explanations, which can take up a lot of my time. So this is a task that I delegate to the personal assistant agent. I love a good delegation, okay? I think it's the previous manager in me. For the personal assistant agent to be able to do this, I connected my email and social media accounts. Again, not technical. You click, you authorize, and it connects. And this allows the personal assistant agent to read and reply to all incoming emails. They know exactly what to say and how to negotiate on my behalf because it's all set up in the skills page. I also like doing weekly, monthly, and quarterly audits. So I schedule a briefing every week, every month, and every quarter of my content, emails, and sales. This task is delegated to the business assistant agent and the social media manager agent. So I know what's working, what's not working, and what I need to improve on. That way I'm not wasting time on a strategy that doesn't work. It's like having regular team meetings. That way everyone is on top of our KPIs. This is really taking me back to my corporate days. KPIs is essentially key performance indicators. And then the agents, aka employees, deliver what they've done on my Telegram. I check it the same way I check my messages. I see what my agents have done, and then I decide on what to use. And that's a very important distinction. I'm the brand, I'm the business, I'm the creative director. So I don't have to take every suggestion on board. It's still very important for me to utilize my discernment to take on what's relevant and what aligns, and to filter out what doesn't. Practically what this means for my business is that I'm saving over 20 hours a week. The research I used to spend over 2 to 3 hours a week doing now happens without me doing any work. I wake up, I check my Telegram, and there's already a summary of what is performing in my niche, what my audience is searching for, and suggested subject lines. And the outreach piece works very similarly. If I'm running a launch, which I'm going to start doing more often because I have more time, and I need to create a personalized marketing plan for that launch, automatically Accio Work not only prepares social media marketing plans based on the information that I provide, it also helps me to publish them directly onto my Instagram. I review the marketing plan, adjust the content and tone as needed, and then it's published at the time that I set. The thinking is done, the writing is done, and that is the shift from doing everything and only doing the 10% that only I can do. That's the part-time schedule that allows me to make quiet money. What tools like Accio Work does is give you back the hours that showing up used to cost, so that you can spend most of your time being the female founder, doing the creative work, the presence, the content that builds the relationship, and less of your time on the admin that drains it. That's how you build a quiet business. Not by doing less, but by doing less of the wrong things and doing more of the right things. If any of this sounds like exactly what you have been looking for, a business that doesn't require you to be available constantly, that works on a part-time schedule, that uses smart tools so you can be smarter with your time, the link to download Accio Work desktop version is in my description box. They have extra bonus credits available through my link. So if you're already thinking about trying it, this is the time to do it. Let me know which part you found most useful. And if you want to know how I run my quiet business in only 2 hours a day, make sure you watch this video next. Like this video if you want to see more videos on feminine business and quiet money. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye lovelies.